I'm so happy to be here on the Wake Up channel. Today we're going to talk about a very interesting topic, how to tell if a woman is interested in you and what signs can indicate that a mature woman has not been in a close relationship for a long time. We'll look at some subtle signals that can help you recognize a woman's interest, as well as discuss behavior that might indicate a lack of intimacy. So, let's dive into this fascinating topic and see what we can learn. Before we begin, it's important to note that we've all experienced situations where it can be difficult to understand someone's thoughts and feelings. A Canadian psychologist named Desmond Maurice says in his book that women often send nonverbal cues to show their interest, but men sometimes miss these signals. In fact, research shows that 90% of men often miss most of them. On the other hand, a woman's behavior can change significantly if she has not been in a close relationship with a man for a long period of time. This can manifest in negative attitudes towards men, aggression, or vindictive behavior. Psychologists suggest that such behavior may not always be a direct result of a lack of intimate life, but it can still be an important indicator for understanding a woman and her signals. To better understand her and her actions, it is essential to consider the context of her personal life and her behavior in different situations. Now let's delve deeper into the issue. The main questions we will address are: how to recognize if a woman is interested in you, and how to determine if a mature lady has not experienced this for a long time. This is not only crucial for understanding female psychology, but also for establishing healthy and harmonious relationships. The main conflict here is the difficulty in interpreting nonverbal signals that a woman may show. However, men often fail to notice or misinterpret these signals through small gestures, glances, or casual touches, leading to misunderstandings and missed opportunities. Additionally, a woman's lack of interest can manifest in aggressive or irritable behavior, further complicating the situation. It is important for men to learn how to identify and correctly interpret these signs in order to avoid miscommunication and build deeper connections. Let's take a closer look at the signals that indicate a woman's interest, as well as how to recognize when a woman has been without a man for an extended period of time. By understanding these cues, men can act more confidently and effectively. First, let's discuss casual touching. When a woman is interested in a man, she may find opportunities to touch him, even if the touches seem accidental. This could include brushing against his arm, playing with his hair, or resting her hand on his shoulder. These actions may indicate her desire for physical closeness and intimacy. Light touch, stroking of hair, pat on the shoulder, all these are subtle but significant signs. If these happen again, it's worth paying attention. Perhaps she's showing her interest by prolonged eye contact, holding your gaze for more than a minute. For a few seconds, prolonged eye contact can be a sign of interest. If a woman looks at you longer than usual and doesn't look away when you look back, this is a clear signal. In public places like transport or a park, intense eye contact can be difficult to miss. Third, playing with hair and frequent adjustments. Women attach great importance to their hair and use it to attract attention. Fourth, false pretexts. Sometimes, women can send a photo under the pretext of asking for your opinion on a new hairstyle, swimsuit, or inviting you to watch a movie. This is an attempt to draw your attention and provide an additional reason for communication. Pay attention to the way a woman behaves in your presence. Crossing her legs and pointing them in your direction, stroking various objects, and adjusting her clothes. All these can be signs of her interest. Now let's move on to the signs that may indicate a lack of intimacy in a mature woman. The first sign is negative beliefs about men. If a woman constantly complains about them, it may be due to a lack of close relationships over a long period. The second sign is vindictiveness and petulance in women who have been without a man for a while. They may become more irritable and prone to conflicts. The lack of physical intimacy can reduce the level of happy hormones, which can affect moods and behavior. A third sign is the deterioration in a woman's appearance when she lacks a husband. She may become less concerned with her appearance, which is immediately noticeable. Women who have been single for a long time often set too high standards for potential partners. This can lead to irritability and mood swings, as well as anxiety, due to a prolonged lack of physical intimacy. These feelings are caused by a lack of oxytocin and endorphins, which are released during physical contact. Paying attention to these signs can help you better understand women and create healthier relationships. By carefully observing women, you can notice key indicators of their level of interest or lack thereof. When all these signs come together, you can understand the true intentions of a woman. The first signs of interest are when she combines frequent touches, prolonged eye contact, playfulness, and the use of flirtatious language. At this point, the tension reaches its peak, and it becomes clear that she really wants your attention. In this situation, all you need to do is respond to her signals with due attention and understanding, perhaps taking the first step towards dating. If a woman shows signs of irritability, negative beliefs about men, and a deterioration in appearance, it may indicate a prolonged lack of intimate life. This moment requires delicacy and tact and understanding. Direct discussion on this topic may not be the best approach. Instead, it's important to show empathy and be cautious in communication. The solution lies in being attentive to her emotional state and looking for ways to improve communication and understanding. The key to success is in the moment of truth, when all the signals and signs converge, allowing you to make the right decision regardless of the situation. This is attentiveness and sensitivity to signals and behaviors. Friends, let's summarize and consider the consequences of our observations and actions. The first is the consequence of understanding a woman's interest. If you correctly recognize signals of interest from a woman and respond to them, this can lead to the start of a new relationship or strengthen an existing one. A close and harmonious connection is felt when a woman feels a prolonged lack of intimacy. If a woman reacts to this with understanding and empathy, it can have a positive impact on your communication. The woman can feel your support and attention, which will help her deal with emotional difficulties and restore balance in her life. It is important to remember that sensitivity and respect play a key role in this matter. In conclusion, we see that properly recognizing and understanding female signals and behaviors can significantly improve relationships. Be attentive, empathetic, and respectful will lead to positive results. Dear friends, we have reached the end of our discussion. So, what can we do? First, it's important to understand the nonverbal signals and behaviors of women. This is the key to a successful relationship. Women often express their feelings and interests through small gestures and signals that need to be recognized. A caring husband can significantly improve his chances of building a strong and harmonious relationship by being attentive. Secondly, it's important to remember that women who haven't had intimate relationships for a long time have their own unique behaviors. Understanding these signals will not only help you avoid misunderstandings, but also support a woman in difficult times. Empathy and attention to detail are crucial. Be sensitive and understanding. Strive for mutual understanding and respect, and this will help not only in your personal life, but also in communication with others. Thank you for joining us until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Have a great meeting and best of luck in your relationships.